Hi, boys and girls. So, first week of December, Miss Underwood is dropping several things today. I'm dropping your new Achieve calendar that will have all your stories for December. Please work on them in order. They are loaded that way. You can go ahead and work on your Achieve sentences. You can work on your Achieve stories, reading them, doing your makeups. Those will be due the Wednesday of the last week that we are in school for December. So working ahead is okay. And recording them as you go will probably save you some time and easily to remind you of what they are. So it's listed as December, Achieve for December stories. I also, in the resources part, put a December calendar to help remind you when our Google Meets are. If you are in classes, the first class and the third class, your Google Meet is at 10 o'clock for me on Mondays and Wednesdays. And if you are in the second block, your Google Meet class is at 10:25. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I will have 2 o'clock. I will have a 2 o'clock help for everybody. So our 2 o'clock will be help session, because I have some students who are coming in on Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:30 to 2. Okay? If you need something, be sure to email me. And if I need to call you or we need to Google Meet in the morning, say at 9 a.m., to help with a specific issue, we can do that. I can set that up. You just need to let me know. I need just a little bit of time to drop the link. Remember, I'm not dropping the link until right before the time, so don't get on there and say, where is it, where is it? If for some reason you get on at 10 till and it's not there, then get on at 10 o'clock and see if it's there. For some reason it's still not there at 10 o'clock, get back on at 10:05. Sometimes it drops real easy and it's not an issue, and then sometimes there's an issue. Last week I had an issue. For whatever reason, it didn't want to drop, and it was a little crazy, but we can do it. No big deal. Okay, so you have your Achieve. You're also going to have 2 word ladders this week, and we are also going to have a video later today that's going to talk about capitalization, and we're going to drop our first capitalization as well. The final thing I want to say is that if you have not taken an AR test this quarter, this is your week. So you need to make sure you take it, and you need to make sure if I need to get you some books that I've put them out in the bin and that somebody can come pick them up. Because I am going to put, this is week 4, so I'm going to be putting by the end of the week what you have so far for AR score-wise. Because I will put it in Google Classroom to let you know what your grade is. I will not put it in Infinite Campus until the last week that we're here for this December, so that you and your parents both know where you stand, because when we come back, you're going to have 2 weeks before the end of the quarter, and that grade will be 100 points, so that's a lot of points. Okay? Don't forget, words are going to count as well. So you need to be reading, you need to be testing, you need to be telling me what I need to be looking for. Okay? So we talked about Achieve, we've talked about the calendar for December, we've talked about word ladders, and we've talked about that capitalization is going to be dropped. There's going to be a video with that. The last thing is I've had a couple of people, I have really several people who are going to need to, if they want to better their grade for the nouns, are going to need to redo it. You absolutely have to redo it if you got below 14 out of 20. If you got below 16 out of 20, you can redo it, but the most you're going to be able to get is the 16. So if you got 16, you don't need to redo it because that's the highest you can get is 80%. But I have 2 follow-up worksheets for you to practice on. Use your notes. That's what they're there for. Obviously, the test is going to be much harder because you're at home and you're not going to... I am thinking about doing it differently. We'll see how it works. I am thinking about trying to do it like Friday morning at like 9 o'clock or a Thursday morning, sometime early in the morning, so I can monitor those people who are testing. But anyway, the point is that you understand and learn about the different types of nouns, because that will come into play when you are critiquing your own work, as well as some of the testing things you will have to do for looking to see if there are errors. So anything else for today? And I will just see you all at 10 or 10:25, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.